A very good morning, guys. So I'm leaving from the hotel. Right now time is 6:30. Bangalore is I think around 560 kilometers from here. So Google Map shows 11 hours to reach Bangalore. My plan is to reach before 6 p.m. and by 12:30 or 1 p.m. I have to be in Salem. I planned lunch in Salem. So there is a restaurant called Selvi Mess. I don't want to miss that. So I'm gonna do some good speeds today, and this is the final day of the ride. So I'm heading back to Bangalore. I'm gonna stay in Bangalore for 2 to 3 weeks. Then I'll go back to Warangal. Alright. So first I'm gonna fix the big bag to the bike. Let's get that done first. Very beautiful morning. Once I get to Bangalore, the first thing I'm gonna do is change the bike chain. It's irritating me like anything. Today is Saturday, October 3rd. Here is our bike. Alright, let's leave. Time is 6:50 a.m. I'm actually starting 10 minutes early. I had to fill petrol. Bye bye Rameswaram. I actually got up at 5 a.m. and it took me almost 40 minutes to pack everything. Makeup illa. Mornings will be very crowded here. Alright, officially we are out of Rameswaram. Now you see the beautiful Pamban bridge. At least for this bridge and Dhanushkodi, I'll come back here again, and next time I'll come with a drone. I'm sure this one would look amazing in drone. I've just stopped here for breakfast. Time is 9:40. I think I've come around 160 kilometers from Rameswaram.
யூபியா சரி தெளிவாக இங்கே நம்பது தானே, அது ஒன்றும் இல்லை. பரவாயில்லையே, ஸ்டேன் பண்ணி இப்போ எங்கே குறிக்கோள் எங்கே போறியா?
So this thing is just coming off the 3M sticker when I attach the GoPro setup to this. So I have to change this once I get back Bangalore. So I don't know. Let me see how long I can vlog with this thing. Bangalore is more, I think 400 kilometers. It's getting hot. Let's move. Quick update. We have just exited Trichy city, but I have to tell you what a beautiful city that was. Very well maintained. Salem I think is around 140 kilometers and Bangalore is 200 kilometers from Salem. So altogether Bangalore will be 340 kilometers. Alright, we have just reached Salem. I'm gonna stop here for lunch. We have reached the Selvi Mess. Actually there are two Selvi Mess here in Salem. The another one we have to go via city traffic, which I don't want to do it now. So this is next to the highway, easy to access. So I would prefer this anyway. Taste both are same. So biryani rice. This is brain fry. This is chicken kebab. Chicken kebab, yeah. Okay, I have just exited Salem. I think some 15-20 minutes ago. The food was terrific and tasty. That's a Selvi Mess for you. In case you go via Salem, please try that. And this is one of the beautiful ghat that you go through in case you go from Bangalore to Salem. To eat food in Selvi Mess, There were times I traveled from Bangalore to Salem, the 200 kilometers. I really love the food. I give 4.5 out of 5. Okay, I think more 160 or 170 kilometers to Bangalore. The GoPro is not staying strong due to the 3M sticker. So I'm gonna remove that now. I'll be right back once I'm home. Just reached home. Alright. All these days I was missing Bangalore's traffic. I got a very good welcome today. As soon as I entered Bangalore, what a traffic it was. Right now time is 5 p.m. I reached 1 hour early. I actually thought I might reach by 6 p.m. but it's just 5. I'm glad. I think 600 kilometers from Rameswaram to Bangalore. So altogether it was 2600 kilometers. This entire ride, a ride of 9 days. Finally we are done with the ride. Just entered 5 minutes ago. I just entered and see సంసారం అంతా ఇన్న ఉన్నది. హెల్మెట్, ఆ బ్యాగు, ఈడో బ్యాగు, అక్కడ ఇంకో బ్యాగు. ఇంకొక 5 minutes ఇలానే ఉంటే తర్వాత ఫ్రెష్ అప్ అవుతాయి. కన్యాకుమారి డన్ అండ్ డస్టెడ్. ఎస్, హ్యాపీ, వెరీ హ్యాపీ. సో I don't have anything now. This is the last day of the ride. Alright, I'm gonna take leave. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Okay, thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.